Workers' compensation is a crucial aspect of protecting both employers and employees when it comes to work-related injuries or illnesses. In this video, Emery Wilkerson Law shares how to file a workers' compensation claim. Overview of workers' compensation. Workers' compensation is a form of insurance that provides medical benefits and wage replacement to employees who suffer work-related injuries or illnesses. It is a no-fault system, meaning that employees are entitled to benefits regardless of who caused the injury or illness, as long as it occurred in the course of employment. Workers' compensation also protects employers from lawsuits brought by employees, in most cases. Eligibility for workers' compensation. To be eligible for workers' compensation benefits, the following criteria must generally be met. The person filing the claim must be an employee of a covered employer. The injury or illness must be work-related, meaning it occurred in the course of employment. The employee must notify their employer of the injury or illness within a certain time frame, as specified by state regulations. The employer must have workers' compensation insurance or be self-insured. Responsibilities of employers and employees. Both employers and employees have specific responsibilities in the workers' compensation process. Employers are responsible for providing a safe working environment and taking steps to prevent workplace injuries or illnesses, ensuring that employees are aware of their rights and responsibilities under workers' compensation laws, reporting workplace accidents and injuries to the appropriate workers' compensation agency. Employees are responsible for reporting work-related injuries or illnesses to their employer promptly, seeking appropriate medical treatment for their injury or illness, cooperating with the workers' compensation claims process, providing accurate and timely information. Filing a workers' compensation claim. To file a workers' compensation claim in 2023, follow these steps. 1. Report the injury. Notify your employer of the injury or illness as soon as possible, preferably in writing. Provide details such as the date, time, and location of the incident, as well as any witnesses present. 2. Seek medical treatment. Visit a healthcare provider authorized by the employer or workers' compensation insurer for diagnosis and treatment of the injury or illness. 3. Complete the claim forms. Your employer or their insurance provider will provide the necessary claim forms. Complete them accurately, providing all requested information. 4. Submit the claim. Submit the completed claim forms to your employer or their workers' compensation insurer. Keep copies for your records. 5. Follow up. Stay in touch with your employer or their insurer to ensure the claim is being processed. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Processing and review of claims. Once a workers' compensation claim is filed, it goes through a review and processing stage. The process typically involves the following steps. 1. Claim investigation. The employer or their insurance provider will investigate the circumstances of the claim, including reviewing medical records and interviewing witnesses if necessary. 2. Decision and notification. The employer or insurer will review the claim and make a decision regarding benefits. If approved, the employee will be notified of the benefits being provided. If denied, the reasons for denial will be communicated to the employee. 3. Benefit payments. If the claim is approved, the employee will receive payment for medical expenses and a portion of lost wages, as determined by state regulations. 4. Rehabilitation. In cases where the injury or illness requires rehabilitation, the employee may be provided with vocational training or assistance in returning to work. Appeal process. If a workers' compensation claim is denied, the employee has the right to appeal the decision. The appeal process typically involves the following steps. 1. Review the denial letter. Carefully review the denial letter provided by the employer or insurer to understand the reasons for denial. 2. Gather additional evidence. Collect any additional evidence, such as medical records or witness statements that support your claim. 3. File an appeal. Follow the specific instructions provided in the denial letter for filing an appeal. This usually involves completing an appeal form and submitting it to the appropriate workers' compensation agency. 4. Attend the hearing. The appeal will be reviewed by an administrative law judge or board. Attend the hearing and present your case, including any evidence or witnesses. 5. Await decision. The judge or board will review the appeal and issue a decision. If approved, the employee will receive the benefits they are entitled to. If denied, further legal options may be available. For more information, contact Emery Wilkerson Law, serving Colorado, New Mexico, Missouri, and soon Pennsylvania.